This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on your Android phone. First, download the Gemini app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. You can also enable Gemini through your Google Assistant settings, replacing the traditional assistant. This integration provides a seamless experience, allowing you to access powerful AI features directly from your device. Gemini offers a wide range of powerful features right on your Android device. You can ask it complex questions, generate creative content like poems or stories, and even get help with coding. It's also excellent for summarizing long articles, drafting emails, or translating languages on the fly. With its advanced understanding, Gemini makes your daily tasks much easier and more efficient. Interacting with Gemini is incredibly intuitive. You can simply speak your commands, type out your queries, or even upload images for analysis. To activate it quickly, long press your phone's power button or use the Hey Google voice command. Gemini is designed to understand natural language, making conversations feel very fluid and helpful for various tasks. To get the most out of Gemini, always keep your app updated to the latest version. Providing clear and specific prompts will help Gemini understand your requests better, leading to more accurate and helpful responses. Don't hesitate to experiment with its various capabilities, whether you're looking for productivity boosts, creative inspiration, or just quick information. It's a powerful tool at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.